In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI Gmail auto-reply agent in n8n. We'll start inside your n8n workspace. Open your browser, log in, and create a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. First, add a Gmail trigger node. Configure it to watch for new incoming emails, and make sure to exclude messages sent by you so the agent doesn't loop on your own replies. This trigger is what wakes the workflow whenever a new message lands in your inbox. Next, add a Google Drive node. Set the operation to download and select your profile document file. This file gives the agent context about you or your organization, so replies sound accurate and consistent. Add a Gmail node, and set the operation to get all to fetch the full email thread. This helps the agent see the conversation history, not just a single message. Now, add a document loader node for the profile document and connect it to the Google Drive node. Add a second document loader for the email thread and connect it to the Gmail thread node. These loaders turn raw files and messages into structured documents the AI can process. Add a text splitter node for the profile document, then another text splitter for the email thread. Splitting content into manageable chunks improves retrieval quality when we embed and search it later. Add an OpenAI embeddings node. This converts each chunk into vectors, numerical representations the system can efficiently compare. Then add a simple vector store node and connect both document loaders and the embeddings to it. This creates a lightweight knowledge base the agent can query for relevant context. Add a set node to prepare the agent's context. Pull in the email subject sender and body so the agent understands who wrote in and what they asked. Now, add an AI agent node. Connect the OpenAI chat model, simple memory, and the vector store retriever to the agent. Configure the agent with clear instructions. If the message looks like a newsletter or spam, return exactly "no reply needed." Otherwise, generate a concise, professional reply using the profile document and email thread for context. Add an IF node to check that the agent's output does not contain "no reply needed." On the true branch, add a Gmail node, set the resource to draft, and configure it to create a reply draft in the same thread for easy review. Add a code node as an error handler, and connect error outputs from your important nodes to it so failures are logged in one place. Finally, click Execute Workflow to test the automation and confirm drafts appear as expected. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.